you doing, guys? And welcome back to a new special adventure. This time we're on a mission to a place that I've never been before, and I don't know if you guys have been, but we're gonna go see and explore. But I'm doing a solo trip. Well, I'm actually meeting up with my brother up there, so it should be interesting. And by the way, if you're thinking about subscribing to the channel, go right ahead, but remember to turn on the little bell, because like that you get all the notifications of the new videos. And guys, if you're already subscribed and wondering why you're not getting notified with the new videos, go ahead and check, make sure your little bell is turned on, so like that you get all the new videos coming up. So let's go with the show on the road. And I guess it's here. Yeah, it's a little crazy. I guess I'm not, I'm not a freaking flyer, so we'll see how it goes. So let's see. All right, long-term parking, next left. All right, guys, so we just found some parking, so let's go. Let's go do the check-in and get our stuff going. We just did a security check. Now we're walking to the gate and just wait. Here's something you don't see every day at an airport. Right? Imagine that. So we just landed here at Vegas. This airport is humongous. So check out the airport, guys. It's cool, right? With a giant TV. It's pretty cool, right? And if you feel like gambling, there you go, while you wait for your bags. So pretty cool. So welcome to Vegas. So those who hasn't been here, like me, I've never been here, so it's gonna be a new experience and hopefully it's fun.
Fresco Channel is in Vegas. Oh my God.
We just made it. I got lost in the parking lot.
You got what?
No.
Hey, so you know what? The rules might be out on this one. Whatever happens in Vegas
stays in Vegas. So I'm staying. No, I'm not. I don't know. Maybe.
So check this out. We're here at the Hard Rock. Oh, let me tell you a secret. They are gonna tear down this Hard Rock in the next month. So this is, you guys are seeing a very exclusive video right now. This is the inside of the Hard Rock in Vegas.
Wow,
which will never exist after this.
Well, what are they gonna do, make it bigger?
They're gonna, I think Virgin American is gonna build something. So we're at Sema. I wanna show you guys some of the cars that are, this is not even at Sema. This is just at one of the hotels. Check this out. Those are 30-inch rims. If you guys like to see this truck, if you guys like this truck, as a matter of fact, leave a comment at the bottom with a thumbs up. This is a crazy truck. Look at this truck right here, 30-inch rims. I'm gonna show you guys the bottom of this truck. Check this out. That is crazy. Now check this out. This is I want to say it looks like a Corvette, but I don't know what it is. It has no body, but it has an amazing engine. Check this out. Woo, look at the lip on that. Man, you see some really cool stuff here at Sema. Only on Fresco Channel. It's your boy Cito Rocks. Wow. So this is H&R Tower.
Oh, I got you.
Lobby.
Please.
Part of the tower. So you can't get up to our hotel floor without the key. So I'm gonna show you. These elevators are cool. They're red. All right. So look, check this out. If I hit, we're in 11th. It's a good number. We try to hit 11, it doesn't work. See how the light doesn't stay red? So we gotta do one of these, then hit 11, then we're going. They keep it tight security here. So this is a good number, look, 1119. Good number. So we're gonna go inside. This is Queen Suite.
Ooh, we got people here already.
Oh, it's a party going on already. What up? What up, though?
What up, what up?
Fresco Channel, man.
Hi.
Hello.
What's going on? Who's that laying right there?
I'm dead. All right, so we're heading off to the event, carrying some heavy equipment right here.
What? Oh, passing elevator.
So it's the first day of the show, and see what's going on. First time here at Sema, so should be
Fresco's
interesting.
never been to Sema. It's gonna be very exciting.
Yeah, should be interesting. So those who haven't been to Sema, I guess you're gonna experience the same thing I am. All right, so we're walking through the lobby of the Hard Rock. It's pretty cool.
Which, by the way, this might not be here next month. They're gonna tear it down, so you guys are getting exclusive footage.
This is history in the making right here. Anybody want to play?
Hey, brother.
So here we go with the show. Should be fun. All right, so we just made it to the Sema. I gotta jump some walls. we're in the building. We're in the building. Oh no, yeah. I'm just, you know.
It's overwhelming.
Yeah.
Look at that machine buffet.
Welcome Fresco Channel to SEMA 2019.
Welcome to SEMA 2019.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go to the best part of the show right here. This is the best part, right?
It is.
Food.
Barbecue.
Food.
Yeah.
Food. Yes. Okay, so we're having a Sema hamburger, Vegas style. What you have?
Pulled pork, baby.
Pulled
You
pork.
See my face? Pulled pork.
Oh my goodness, yeah. They got pork all over the place.
That's why it's good.
She wants to run across the Grand Canyon.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my lunch here. But don't forget to check out the rest of the videos coming up.